Yaka Shanice, and I'm back with a new video. If you're new here, hello, and if you're a returning subscriber, welcome back. Please don't forget to hit like, comment, and subscribe, and please don't forget to hit that notification button so you can get alerts when I put up new videos. Cause how is y'all gonna see me?
About you. Oh yeah.
I'm talking about like so
the side. You see the press it up. Oops, I beat right on.
Stop! I'm not playing with you. I am not playing with y'all. What is it?
What take the
Then you help Marsha do that. Go in and do the doodle. Let's take a wrap of the round. I'm finna disappear. Oh, you just put girl boy up here. Team girl, team girl. We gonna see. So if I mess up, it's over. Nah, you can erase it. It works for that. Put water. Put what? You come off with water. No.
Team boy.
Where's my tea? Oh, I put it in the house. Yeah, you gotta get him because he got caught the other time. I'm about to say, forget this little balloon thing. For real. That's scaring me. I don't even know how this is gonna stay up top. This shit not gonna work.
Tasha, what you think it is?
I think it's a boy.
No, it's not. It's gonna be a girl.
Zari, what do you think it is?
Girl. I hope it's gonna be a girl.
Boy.
Cause me, baby, knowledge, and y'all think it's gonna be a girl.
Oh no, Dondra, what you think it is? What you think Jasmine having, a baby girl or a baby boy?
Baby boy.
You want her to have a baby boy?
Yeah.
Why?
And because there's a baby boy.
Okay.
Hi guys, I think it's gonna be a girl, but I'm team boy. I thought
You don't get ice cream.
Brianna, what do you think it? Why your shirt gotta be all extra?
Cause I made them.
What do you think she's having?
I'm team both, but something is like a boy. You know when you be like boy, it'd be a girl. So I don't know. I kind of think it's a boy though. But it's a bummer, grandma. But it's a bummer, grandma.
Sister, what do you think it is?
What I want it to be, I want to have a little niece. But do I think I'm having a little niece? No. There's too many signs. That's not going with a niece.
I'm team girl, and that's what it's gonna be.
Me too. Isaiah, what do you think it is?
It's a girl.
Okay. Joe, what do you think it is? He knows what it is, but never mind. It's not even ask him.
Sorry.
Sorry, what?
I'm gonna boo. Hey. Turn it up like this.
Oh, you want it the other way?
Yeah. Oh, I say. May hold it.
Oh, you might drop it.
Yeah, I'm gonna drop it. Stop.
We have chicken Alfredo, shrimp Alfredo, tomatoes, cucumbers, salad, and these are the little thingies. Girl, it's a boy.
Lord have mercy. A safety pin is just like $1 million around here.
Ain't no more.
This is the mother-to-be. What do you think it is?
And Chandler too.
That's so sexy.
Where you want to do that? make no sense. Who playlist is this? Y'all know about this. Yeah, what is it? What's the reveal like?
Y'all praying for a boy, girl, whatever?
Healthy baby.
Healthy baby.
Healthy babies.
So again, I just like to thank everybody for coming.
Yeah, and I appreciate it, love. You are. I love you, girl. Nasty attitude. Nasty attitude.
Well, I'm just as happy as I can be to be a grandmother for the first time. The road ahead may be a little rough, but Jasmine has support.
Yes.
You know, it takes a village to raise a child. It takes a village to raise children. So everybody's here. Everybody that's here today means something to her. Right. Okay, and that's all that's important today. That's right. Enjoy. Eat. If you got to eat and leave, if you got to eat and take something, that's fine with me. I don't want to see none of this after today.
And we don't want it left here either.
Right. So
that mean we got to eat on it.
If you need something that's not up there, just let us know and we will make sure it's taken care of. Huh?
No, we don't do that.
We don't have it at this house. What is that?
Right now.
We got liquor.
No, not on Sunday, boy. If it was Saturday.
Let everybody eat.
Oh, and I'm tell y'all, I don't eat, what you call it? So I'm gonna get me some steak and then
You don't eat the pasta.
pasta salad.
And if it's not warm, there's a microwave in there, so it'll be okay. So, enjoy. And thank you all.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I'm ready to swallow the bag.
Rock baby.
Right there.
Okay, thank you.
I don't have nothing to say. I'm ready.
Go ahead.
Thank y'all. Yes. Lord, you know all about it. You know what we need. You know what we don't need. We just want you to lead us and guide us and show us the way. Lord, this baby's coming into this world, and the baby's in your hands, along with the parents and the grandparents and all of the family. It takes a village to raise a child now. And Lord, we're just putting this all in your hands. Just lead us and guide us in the right direction. We need you, Lord. We need you to show us the way. Pray that we just, everybody enjoy, eat, have a good time. Amen.
And control the attitudes.
Please hope it's not.
Hey, we got a little bit of everything. So
Tell me, fellas, have you seen her? It was about 5 minutes ago when I seen the hottest chick that a youngin' never seen before. I say, yo, tell the girls I wanna meet her. On second thought, that ain't the way to go. I gotta give her game proper, spit it so she get it, that she is, I gotta stop her. Or should I talk about a smile? Or what about a style? I'm out of time, she's out the door, I gotta go for mine. I think I'll say, yo, I don't know your name, but it's Tell me, fellas, have you seen her? It was about 5 minutes ago when I seen the hottest chick that a youngin' never seen before. I say, yo, tell the girls I wanna meet her. On second thought, that ain't the way to go. I gotta stop her. Or should I talk about a smile? Or what about a style? I'm out of time, she's out the door, I gotta go.
And don't be in front of the Danielle camera.
Zero, go. Okay. I feel like I'm doing wrong.
up, y'all? So I have made it back home from my grandma's house. Now I'm just about to wind down and relax for the rest of the night till I fall asleep. Take to moisturize my hair, and I'm just using this. So as y'all can see, I was at my grandma's house today. My sister had her gender reveal. Today has been kind of like a blah day for me for some reason. I don't know why, but I just ain't been feeling it. Like, I don't know, y'all probably be able to tell by the vlog too. I ain't even did no intro. I have to come up with something for the intro part. I'm just about to do a mask. What's been going on with you guys? I know y'all like, what is this? Why do you have this in your room? So this is the mask I've been using. I've been using this for a while now. I just purchased a new jar of it, and it's just the Fake Total 0% milk fat yogurt. And this helps with dark spots, and it also has lactic acid in it. And like I said, you know, lactic acid is good for the skin. So I will be doing this. And it's so cold on your face, but of course, you know, you gotta keep it in the microwave. So I just been, you know, using this as my mask, and I just keep it on until it's dry. And I'm kind of doing my face routine backwards. I normally like cleanse, do all the other stuff, then do that, but I'm just gonna go ahead and put this mask on because you got to stay on for a long period of time. So I'm gonna put this on first, and then I'm going to after I rinse off, I'll cleanse my face. I really don't care at this point. I did want to show y'all, I went and got my nails done Thursday. Aren't they the cutest? They look so cute. I really haven't had much going on this week or weekend, so I really don't know how this vlog gonna go. Try to use my phone as a mirror, you know your girl can't see. But y'all, I got some good news. I'm supposed to get some contacts. I got so much up here. Get me some contacts on the 28th of this month. I got an appointment. I'm gonna say, yeah, I got an appointment. So I'm gonna be using my phone because my mirror way over there. Woo! This is cold, child. Y'all. But yeah, the baby shower turned out nice. I'm gonna be an auntie again. Y'all, I got to sit there, keep this on until it dry. I don't know if I told y'all, but I've been watching Stranger Things. I finished Stranger Things. That's really good if you into like that type of stuff, like Dungeons and Dragons and, you know, stuff that's a little different. Finished that. I also recently started watching The Chi. That's been good too. I also started watching the new season of All the Queen's Men. I think it's on BET Plus. It's something like P-Valley, but it's men instead of women strippers. And I feel like it's a little, I mean, it's raw in there too, but I feel like P-Valley is more raw than that. So if y'all looking for some good shows, y'all should watch All the Queen's Men. Like I said, that's on BET Plus. Also the other show I told you about in my other vlog, Kingdom Business, that's on BET Plus. Stranger Things, that's on Netflix. What else? I think that's all I'm watching right now. You know, so I'm gonna keep this on for a little bit and relax, because I've been having a headache too, but I think I know where it comes from, because Saturday my boss bought me a plate to work and it had pork chop up there. I know I wasn't supposed to have no pork chop. Y'all, I haven't had pork chop in years because I already been watching what I eat, especially like with the pork and stuff, because it gave me a bad headache. And y'all, when I seen that barbecue pork chop, I ate it and my head been hurting ever since then. But that's what I get. Do y'all watch P-Valley? But if y'all do, let me know how y'all been feeling about these last couple episodes. And this whole second season has been very, very, very intense. What's up, Miramore Gang? Today is Monday. I just got back from the store. I'm about to do me a little DIY project. Show y'all what I'm going to do. I don't think I'm going to show y'all the first couch I'm going to do until I get it done. And then I'll show y'all. But I'm going to show y'all some things I picked up from Walmart. So I picked up 2 of these fleece blankets. This is going to be part of my DIY couch project. Staples and a staple gun. Picked up this tumbler. I just like the color. Stranger Things hat. Y'all know I done became a Stranger Things fan. So yes, I got to get some of their merch. Bought some of these. These are so good, y'all. I done went through 2 bags of these. This is my 3rd bag. And just some popcorn. Oh, and I got some bread, and I also picked up 2 pair of shorts. And I also wanted to show y'all. I don't know if y'all remember in one of my vlogs, a couple of vlogs ago, I thought this was a vase, and it's actually a glass pitcher. And this is what my sister got me for my birthday, and it was a set. And she had ended up giving this to me when I had when we got back from Florida. So I just want to show y'all that. It's cute. Okay, y'all. So this is what it's looking like so far, and I love it. Like, I still gotta do some more tucking and straighten it out. And this is where I'm at now. It didn't take that long, but it's a little tedious. You know, you got to make sure you get your tuck game together. But I'll show you the finished look once I get finished.